¿Quieres una casa o apartamento? Do you want a house or apartment? Do you want a house or apartment? Tenemos algunos trabajadores. We have a few workers. We have a few workers. Tenemos muchos trabajadores. We have many workers. We have many workers. Debes hacer algo. You must do something. You must do something. Debes hacer lo que sea posible. You must do what is possible. You must do what is possible. Tengo más de lo necesario. I have more than necessary. I have more than necessary. Tengo más que ellos. I have more than them. I have more than them. ¿Puedes decirme dónde? Can you tell me where? Can you tell me where? ¿Puedes decirme más detalles? Can you tell me more details? Can you tell me more details? ¿Dónde lo encontraste? Where did you find it? Where did you find it? No tenía sentido para mí. It made no sense to me. It made no sense to me. Traje algunos regalos. I brought a few presents. I brought a few presents. No hay otra manera. There is no other way. There is no other way. Prueba de otra manera. Try another way. Try another way. No me importa lo que hagan. I don't care what they do. I don't care what they do. No me importa lo que digan. I don't care what they say. I don't care what they say. La temperatura ha subido. The temperature has risen. The temperature has risen. La temperatura ha bajado. The temperature has gone down. The temperature has gone down. Vivo cerca del río. I live close to the river. I live close to the river. Los vi en la fiesta. I saw them at the party. I saw them. I saw them at the party. Los costos siguen aumentando. The cost continues to rise. The cost continues to rise. Los costos son bajos. The costs are low. The costs are low. Nos quedan algunos. We have a few left. We have a few left. Pasé el fin de semana trabajando. I spent the weekend working. I spent the weekend working. Pasé el día en el parque. I spent the day at the park. I spent the day at the park. Abrí una nueva cuenta. I opened a new account. I opened a new account. Seguiré con mi trabajo. I will continue with my job. I will continue with my job. Este lugar es demasiado ruidoso. This place is too noisy. This place is too noisy.